Mental Hub nga nze omuyizi avuddeyo neefuuka superwoman eyali neekolera jange neenyumiriza nnyo mu Jjajja Museveni era Jjajja nkwebaza nayiga ebintu eby'enjawulo nzimbye oveni kati nfulumya keeki ez'emikolo gyonna.
Bwe natuukayo ne mukolera obulungi nambuuza wasomera wa ne mugamba nasomera ku ssomero lya President Museveni. Nangamba toyinayo munneyo omulala omumpe.
The other refusal to implement UPE and USE mukonesa abana bamwe, because sometimes we use force. As you know, NRM can use force. People here, and many of you are leaders, refused to implement that. Up to now, there are school charges in primary schools and secondary schools. We knew that if you do that, you exclude the children of the poor. That's what is happening. So that's why I said, okay, let me start a really free training center with the government, and then show that we can really, you can hear the testimonies of these children. People who introduce school charges in government schools may not go to heaven, because I have shown you that it is possible to teach children for free, but now this is a more expensive experiment than the other one, as you are proposing.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.